All right, we are testing this out, seeing if this works. Sorry for the background noise, but this was the drone that was stuck on the roof. I replaced one of the propellers, turned it on before. It seemed to work fine, but I didn't fly it. So this is the important verification that it can still fly. It is kind of windy. I definitely need to turn the obstacle avoidance features back on because I am definitely not one of those great flying pilots, as you probably know, because I got this stuck on the roof. So there's that. Turn back on, and then we'll fly it in position mode. Then we'll start recording. Woo. It looks like it's working fine. It's pretty stable. Looking at the footage, it looks pretty stable. Looking at the actual drone itself, let's fly a little bit higher so it doesn't keep yelling at me. There we go. It is now no longer beeping. It is flying fine. Let's see if we can do like a what's it called, one of these quick shots. So fly a little bit higher so that it's not hitting anything, and then we'll hit into the quick shots, intelligence quick shots. Cannot do this. Okay, to stop recording. Okay, we're no longer recording on this. And then what do we want to do here? Quick shots. Droney. Maybe an asteroid. Let's do a circle. Maybe a helix. Go. And I'm gone. Still got the GPS on decently well though. Oh, look at that. Does it see me again? It does not. It's got the position located though. So that's pretty cool. Well, that worked pretty well. Well, it works. So there's that. Woo! It works. It's all good. Woo! Awesome. Wow. Pretty good work, DJI. I mean, it works. That's awesome.